Hello everyone, I am Jason Quesada for the Enterprise 2.0 conference. Wanted to give you a brief update on how the event is shaping up. We're just under 2 weeks away, so I figured I'd bring in none other than Paige Finkelman, the Enterprise 2.0 General Manager, for her take on how things are shaping up for the show. Paige, how's it going?
Good, Jason, how are you?
I am awesome. Thanks for coming by. I appreciate your time.
Good to see you, good to be here, and thanks for asking me such a great question. We just announced the final keynote lineup for Enterprise 2.0 Boston, and I'm really excited this year because we have some amazing enterprise customers speaking on the keynote stage. FedEx, Nike, Colliers International, Wells Fargo, really big global companies sharing their story about how they're leveraging technology to optimize the way they do their business. And it's a great lineup. I'm super excited. We've also got this really cool panel that the Management Innovation Exchange is doing with us in Boston. They started back in Santa Clara last November, this management, kind of inventing management 2.0 hackathon. And this is a continuation, and they're sharing findings of what went down in the hackathon. We've got Chris Grams from Mix there to moderate a conversation with Mozilla, Yum Brands, and I think it's going to be really great.
Excellent. You mentioned Nike. They
yeah,
released their. My question, the next question is: are they going to be passing out sneakers at the event for free swag?
You know, I would love some Nike swag. Art and Richard, if you're listening, I'm a size 7,
and I'm a size 10.5. So take that into consideration.
Just for what it's worth. Yeah, I would love some swag, and I actually recently learned that the CIO of Pabst Blue Ribbon will also be in the Heinz Convention Center speaking at a conference down the hall, Mobile Connect, which I can talk about later. But yeah, I'd love a koozie from Pabst too. That'd be great.
Wow, this is shaping up to be an incredible conference. Yeah. All right, Paige. So you're working on content, right? Let's talk a little bit about that. How is it different compared to last year's event, and what are you excited about?
Yeah, each year we reinvent our positioning, and our sort of themes for the year change depending on what technology trends are emerging. And this year we're really placing a huge emphasis on analytics and metrics. So we've got a really great track put together there, and then we have a full day workshop called How Do You Measure That? Social Analytics Explained. And then this gentleman named Michael Wu from Lithium is actually doing a live experiment with the keynote audience, which I'm really looking forward to as well.
Excellent.
So analytics and metric is definitely one. Gamification this year is also going to be part of the conversation, a couple sessions and a talk on the keynote stage around gamification from FedEx. And then the final piece that's sort of new and different this year is we're actually launching a whole new conference called Mobile Connect, really focused on how business is running on this new platform of mobile. And given that mobile is surpassing PCs in production, application development, and shipment, we really wanted to give mobile its own sort of spot. So attendees that buy kind of our mega pass can have access to both conferences. But we think it's a great value add, definitely on point for 2012.
Excellent. Yeah, I know mobile is really hot right now. So.
Yeah, for sure.
Mobile. And Paige, final question. I know E2 always has a connection with a nonprofit organization that we support.
Yes.
So can you talk a little about this year's beneficiary and what they're doing at the show this year?
Definitely, yeah. For years, Enterprise 2.0 has always had a philanthropic partner at the conference, and this year we are partnered with an organization called Year Up, and they help kind of teens and young adults aged 18 to about 24 get college credit and real world experience working at tech companies. And they have a couple different offices and divisions across the United States. We're actually asking a bunch of Boston alumni, Year Up alumni that have been through the program, to come and do a panel at Enterprise 2.0 Boston, and they're going to be talking about something called the opportunity divide. And it's really straight from the horse's mouth, Gen Y's perspective on this social business stuff. So I think it's a really great organization and very cool to give our attendees the opportunity to learn more about Year Up, engage with the alumni, so you can find them both on the show floor and in their session.
That's great. I'm looking forward to catching that session. It's going to be very lifting and very inspiring. So thank you very much, Paige.
Thank you.
And so that's it, Paige, right? That's it? That's all you got?
I mean, this isn't Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. I don't have anything I could win, nothing like that.
High five.
High five. I'll take it.
Well, there you go, folks. There's your update for the show. That's coming up in 2 weeks. So make sure you join us. At the end of this video, you'll see a code which you can use to save $500 on a conference pass or get a free expo pass. And join us about mobile, social, business, you know it. So make sure you register and join us in Boston in a few weeks. Thank you very much.
See ya.